Good morning, Nor'easters. Good morning. It is so nice to see you all, to see all the families and loved ones here with us today. Thank you for bringing your intelligence, your curiosity, your creativity, and your compassion to our community. I'll introduce our commencement speaker, Dr. Ron A. Crutcher. Dr. Crutcher championed the value of diversity and inclusion on campus, as well as the value of open and free expression. Like me, Dr. Crutcher understands that these two imperatives, which are sometimes thought to be at odds with one another, are in fact inextricably linked.
I would suggest that positive social change is a matter of collective consultation through dialogue. Yes, there are key moments when peaceful resistance may be necessary. I truly believe that your University of New England education has prepared you well for this task. As a result of your hard work, you are prepared not only with the knowledge and skills to succeed in today's global economy, but the combined strength of unity through adversity.
As you know all too well, we live in an era when not everyone is comfortable sharing what they think. When issues concerning politics or a host of social issues arise, many of us bite our tongues for fear of saying the wrong things.
I challenge you not to tear others down or to break the bridges that bind us together. Be bigger than that. Be an intellectual builder. Honor your families and those teachers here in the past who inspired you. Center your ideas, ask probing questions, listen deeply.
We strive to foster a marketplace of ideas in which students can sort through various perspectives on a given issue and separate the good ones from the bad. But these efforts amount to nothing if you, the students, don't embrace them.
Your own beliefs will be tested and refined, both better preparing you for engaged citizenship in our pluralistic society and perhaps leading to new and surprising connections. Our new national story must be about how we made one out of many. That is my call of action to you.
Where possible, we should seek common ground. But even when we can't seek common ground, we should seek a good faith engagement that will sharpen our understanding and will enhance the acceptance of whatever strategies and policies emerge. The reality is, no one side has a monopoly on truth or virtue.
We encourage you to remain engaged in the life of this remarkable university. And we all look forward with great hope and anticipation to everything you will accomplish as you lead lives of purpose wherever you may find your purpose in the world. Congratulations and Godspeed to each of you.